5 Netball shooting drills for fast improvement. Shooting is the only way you accumulate points in netball, so it is essential to master the art of hitting nothing but the net. Control, accuracy, and technique are primary to any shooter, and practicing drills that improve those skills are necessary for any team to be successful. Below is a list of some of the best netball shooting drills for one or more players. Solo shooting drill. This netball shooting drill, which focuses on technique, can be completed with only one shooter, one ball, and a netball post. While lining up with the post, a player should stand feet shoulder width apart while holding the ball predominantly with the shooting hand and supporting it with the second, balancing hand. With arms stretched upward and elbows touching the ears, the player's arms should bend at the elbow behind the head and shoot. You can repeat this drill from all angles of the court. Partner shooting, 10 shots. This drill can be performed with 2 players, 1 ball, 1 post, and 10 cones. Each cone should be lined up at various points, and the player who is shooting should be timed to see how long it takes to make a shot from each one. The feeder will rebound the ball each time the shooter attempts a basket, and the shooter can only move on once a shot is made from the given position. Partner shooting, shooting and cardio training. Again, this drill has 2 players, a shooter and retriever, and is specifically aimed at practicing shooting accuracy while testing endurance. The rebounder will place the ball anywhere around the semicircle, and the shooter will sprint from the ball to the sideline and back. When returning to the ball, the shooter will attempt a basket. After taking the shot, they will run back to the sideline and repeat the drill over while the rebounder places the ball in another spot on the semicircle until 10 baskets are made. 5 people or more, 10 pass shooting drill. With 3 attackers up the court and 2 shooters within the circle, the attackers start at the transverse line and pass the ball between them 5 times before passing it to the shooters. After the shooters receive the ball, another 5 passes must be made successfully before a shot can be attempted. 5 people or more, race shooting. Each player lines up at the top of the court. There is a ball in the hands of player 1 and player 2, and the goal is to make a shot before your opponent. Player 1 shoots 1 time, and if the shot goes in, player 2 is out. However, if the shot does not go in, player 2 and player 1 duke it out until a shot is made. Whoever didn't make it is out. If player 2 shoots and makes it, player 1 is out, and player 2 hands the ball off to player 4. Player 2 returns to the end of the line, and the drill continues until one person is left.